Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your products collection on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Shopify store. Once you're in, you have to go on the product, and here you have to add the product. You have to select the product, or you can also add the product. You have to go on the products, and here you have to give a title and also add the description. Once you add it, you have to save it. Now you have to go back and here you have to select that product which you want to add to the collection, and then go on the more action. Here is the add to collections. You have to click on it. Now you have to tick mark on the home page and save it. You can also search for the collections, and now it is saved to your collections. Now you have to go on the collections, and here your product has been added. So yeah, this is how you can add product collections on the Shopify.